Hi everyone, today I am reading about the tomato thief. Brand's name is Totaboots. He was angered to taste the tomatoes growing in the green patch in the terrace garden. He had been waiting for them to be ripped each to eat. Can we pick them now, Mummy? Be patient, she replied. You have to let them turn fully red before you pick them. How many days to go? Squashed we. Maybe 3 or 4 days more. They waited with excitement. Day 1, day 2, day 3. On the fourth day, something strange happened when we went up to the terrace garden. He was shocked. Mummy, did you pick the ripe tomatoes? He asked. No, sweetheart, I did not touch them, exclaimed Mummy. But the red tomatoes are missing. Can they run away? Did someone steal them? That's strange. Who would steal tomatoes? Wonder Mummy. Could it be Baba? No, said Baba. I knew you wanted to pick. She picked the tomatoes yourself. I did not touch them. Could it be Shobha Auntie, our cook? No, Veer. Ammu, there were tomatoes in the fridge already. I did not go to the terrace yesterday. I did not touch them. Could it be naughty Anaya? Asked Veer. Your baby sister does love squashing tomatoes, but she could have reached up so high. I'm sure she did not touch them, assured Mummy. Could it be Ramu Kaka, our Mali thought? Veer. Oh no, Veer. Baba never. I know how much you wanted to pluck them yourself. I did not touch them. Who could it be? Then could it be my friends Pranav or Shreya? No, Veer, said Pranav. I did not touch them. No, said Shreya. When we played the hide the dinosaur game in your garden yesterday, I did not remember seeing any red tomatoes. I did not touch them. Just who could it be? Wondered Veer. Did a spaceship land from the sky and steal my tomatoes? Why do not you keep a watch tomorrow? Suggested Mummy helpfully. It's tomorrow. The next morning, Veer noticed newly ripened tomatoes in the garden. He hid behind the pots for a long time to keep a watch. Baba came outside to read the newspaper on the garden swing. Shobha Auntie came to take a few curry leaves from the curry plant. Naughty Anaya came to made a big muddy puddle on the terrace, jumped on, on the terrace, jumped it for a while and went away. Ramu Kaka came to water the plants. Shreya and Pranav came looking for Veer and went back the red tomatoes. We were still there. Suddenly there was a loud thudump on the terrace. First we spotted a long tail, then a big black paw, two tiny pointy ears, sharp teeth, and a big black face. It was a monkey, buzzing, chopping away a red juicy tomato. Veer came out of his hiding place and Monkey looked at Monkey looked at Veer looked at Monkey. Veer screamed loudly. The monkey dashed away to the big tree nearby. Veer quickly plucked the remaining red tomatoes before another tomato thief came by. He took a big bite of the juicy vegetable. How delicious it was. I'm going to read a short, okay? Veer cannot wait to taste the tomatoes. He grows in his terrace garden. When the tomatoes are just ripe, if to pick, something strange happens. The tomatoes go missing. Veer is determined to solve the mystery and find out who is stealing his delicious tomatoes. Thank you, and have a nice day. Subscribe, thumbs up, like. Hope you guys like it. Bye.